What's up guys, it's Sahil. You know I'm all about that hustle and finding new ways to make serious cash. We're talking life-changing money here, and guess what's going to be huge in 2025? You guessed it, AI. It's not just robots taking over the world, it's AI tools that can make you serious bank. Today, I'm breaking down 5 incredible AI tools that could have you raking in over $100 every single day in 2025. No joke, this stuff is the future, so buckle up, smash that like button, and let's dive right in. First up, we've got AI content writers. Dude, this is a game changer. Imagine this. You're cranking out high-quality articles and blog posts like a machine, even if you hate writing. This AI does the heavy lifting, and you can sell that content online. Think about it. Everyone needs blog posts, website copy, the list goes on. You could be making bank by selling this AI-generated content, or you could even start your own blog and rake in ad revenue. It's like having a 24/7 writing team at your fingertips, no joke. Next up, we've got something for all you future Wall Street wolves out there. AI trading bots are about to blow up. These bots use super smart algorithms to analyze the stock market and make crazy accurate predictions. It's like having your own personal stockbroker, but 1,000 times smarter. Imagine waking up, checking your phone, and seeing your investments skyrocketing because your AI bot made all the right moves while you were sleeping. This is next level stuff, people. Chapter 3. Now let's talk about social media. Everyone's trying to be an influencer these days, right? Well, AI social media managers are about to change the game. We're talking about scheduling posts, analyzing trends, and even interacting with your followers, all automatically. This AI frees up your time to focus on creating awesome content, while it handles all the boring stuff. Imagine waking up to thousands of new followers and sponsors knocking down your door because your AI blew up your account overnight. Chapter 4. Okay, listen up. Even if you can't draw to save your life, this next AI tool will blow your mind. AI graphic designers are like magic. You can create stunning graphics, logos, and designs in minutes, even if you've never used Photoshop before. Think about it. Businesses are always looking for eye-catching visuals, and now you can offer your design skills without being a pro. It's like having a personal design team on call 24/7, ready to bring your wildest ideas to life. Chapter 5. Last but not least, we've got the AI virtual assistant, the ultimate time saver. This AI can handle all those tedious tasks that eat up your day, like answering emails, scheduling appointments, and even managing your calendar. Imagine having an army of super efficient assistants working for you around the clock, freeing you up to focus on the big picture. You can even offer your virtual assistant services to other businesses and watch the money roll in. And there you have it. 5 mind-blowing AI tools that could have you swimming in cash by 2025. Remember, the future is all about working smarter, not harder. These AI tools are here to help you level up your game and achieve your financial dreams. So, don't be afraid to embrace the future, guys. Hit that subscribe button and turn on those notifications so you don't miss out on more life-changing tips and tricks. Until next time, peace out.